This videos I will talk about definition of the data and information, what are the data types and data structures. So let's start and types of the data structure. So first of all, what is data structure? As the name indicate, data structure is used for the organizing the data in the memory. There are the various ways to organizing the data in the memory. For example, arrays, list, stack, quickie and many more. The data structure is not a programming language like a C and C++, Java, etc. It is a set of algorithm that can be used in any programming language to organizing the data in the memory. So you need to know it's not a programming language, and it is data structure and algorithm in Java, data structure in C, data structure in Java, data structure in Python. There are the various data structure which we use in the programming language. So there are the n number of the algorithm were proposed to organizing the data in the memory. These algorithm are referred to as abstract data type. So what is the abstract data type? The abstract data type is a n number of the algorithm organizing the data in the memory. These algorithms are referred to as abstract data type. Abstract data type is the nothing but a set of the rules. Now understand what is the algorithm, abstract data type, set of the rules. Need of data structure. So an application are becoming more complex and the amount of the data is increasing day by day, which cause problem for the processing speed, searching data, handling multiple requests. Data structure provide a way of organizing, managing and storing data with efficiency. With the help of data structure, the data item can be traversed easily. Data structure provide efficiency, reusability and abstraction, so it's play an important role in enhancing the performance of a program, because the main uh, function of program is to store and retrieve used data as fast as possible. So question I have, why to learn data structure? Data structure and algorithm are two most important aspects of the computer science. Data structure allow us to organizing and storing data, while algorithm allow us to process that data in the meaningful way. Learning data structure and algorithm will help you to become better programmer. Now understand types of the data. So there are the two types of the data structure: primitive data structure, non-primitive data structure. Data structure: primitive data structure, non-primitive data structure, linear data structure, non-linear data structure. Linear data structure divided into static and dynamic. Static have the array data structure, dynamic linked list, stack, quickie, and non-linear data structure, tree and graph. Remember, this graph is very important to understand the type of the data, because here clearly you can see there are the divided into two part: primitive data structure, non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure divided into two part: linear and non-linear data structure, where a linear divided into like array, static, dynamic. Dynamic divided into three part: linked list, stack, quickie. Non-linear divided into two part: tree and graphs. Primitive data structures directly operate according to the machine and instructor. These are the primitive data type. Data type like integer, character, float, double, pointer are providing data structure. They are the single value. So these are primitive data structure. Now non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure complex and data structure that are derived from primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure further divided into the categories like linked data structure, non-linker, linear data structure, non-linear data structure. Linear data structure is like a consist of the data element arranged in the sequential manner. In the sequential manner, where every element is connected to its previous and next element. For example, here is my element, this is connected to this. Like sequential manner they are arranged, and where their element is connected to its previous and next element. This connection helps to traverse the linear arrangement in the single level and in the single run. Such data structure are easily implemented as a memory in the additionally sequential. Some example of linear data structure is like a quickie, stack, array. Okay, so first of all understand what is array. Array is a collection of the similar data element stored in the contiguous memory location. It is simplest data structure which each data element can be accessed directly by only using the index number. So what is this? Like if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, like these are the elements added in the array. So you have the index 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can find by the index to any array. So it's accessed directly only using index number. Array accessed by using index number. Now linked list. Linked list is a linear data structure that is used to maintain a list like structure in the computer memory. It is a group of nodes that are stored in the contiguous location. Each node is a list of the linked list adjacent node with the help to the pointers. Now look at here. So this is the linked list. Data next null a b c d head. This is, and now understand what is stack. Stack is a linear data structure that follows a specific order during which the operation are performed. Order could be first in last out. So first in last out, last in first out. So for the stack you have to first in last out. First for the stack you have to first in last out. Okay, and for the quickie you have last in first out. The basic operation performed and in the stack are like push, add an item within the stack, pop, delete a remove item from the stack, top, return the topmost element of the stack is empty, return true the stack is empty. So here you can look that this is the function of stack, how they evolve, top, pop, push, insertion, deletion happen the same, etc. Now quickie is a linear data structure which element can be inserted from the only the first in first out. It's like that. Here you use tq, add an element, in q, delete or remove an element, is full, return true the q key, full is empty, return true the q key. Now you can see here this is like a quickie, in q, rear, edq. Non-linear data structures. So already we have talked about non-linear data structure do not have any set of sequence connecting in the element. Like this is tree. A tree is a multiple data structure defined set of node. The topmost node is named root node. So will the bottommost node are the called a leaf node. Each node has the only one but can have the multiple children. Types of tree in the data: general tree, binary search tree, SPL tree, shared block tree. And then you have graph. Graph is a pictorial representation of set of objects connected by link known and hidden, interconnected, finite graph, infinite graph, like more.